Cheryl didn't, but...
Did you have a kitty cocktail? A Shirley dinner?
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
That's right.
Someone move.
I always preferred a Shirley Hempel. It was made with
CBD? Oh.
You're too young probably for that one.
Someone move.
You want to text for 735-192 to do that at cockshow.com if you're watching. And you can listen anywhere you are on the iHeartRadio app.
On 100.7 WMMS. Body how buried and so is young.
That's why they're reading this
We got a f***ing truck coming in. Yes, there's a truck there, idiot.
Buried in the yard. People just don't have the gas money to drive out to the middle of nowhere to dump their bodies anymore. Go fuel yourself with $1,000. 9 chances a day every weekday to win $1 grand.
$25,000 for gas.
Listen for the keyword and hurry past the hour.
Oh my gosh!
We just witnessed that.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Wow. This person in the white Suburban had the green light, and this old lady turned right in front of.
This weekend, going to a lake, getting on a boat.
Oh, fun!
So you know that I need this body looking toit.
For the bachelor party?
Yeah, for all my bros.
Okay.
That's why I'm
down
going to
with
do a
that.
3-day juice cleanse from squeeze.com.
That's a
right.
great idea to eliminate bloat, feeling good, losing some inches. You'll be your best self. I'd be careful showing up that groom.
It's going to happen,
yeah.
though. And you can show up whoever you want, too. If you go to squeeze.com, they'll do free same-day delivery if you use the code word radio.
Yeah, and don't forget to hit Brooke and Jeffrey at checkout.
When you're an innovative business, every blinking cursor, every blank page is an opportunity. What will you do with it? Will you make something better or create something new? Our Dell Technologies advisors provide you with tools and expertise to do incredible things. Because we believe there's an innovator in all of us. For advice on smart PCs powered by Intel V Pro that's built for business, call a Dell Technologies advisor at 877-ASK-DELL.
Man, this is a nice truck.
Yeah, check this out.
What?
I changed it to remind me of my time at sea.
Weren't you in the Air Force?
Yeah, but I really love the ocean.
You could save and get $200 with Navy Federal Credit Union when you refinance your auto loans from another lender, leaving you with extra to spend on other things. Navy Federal Credit Union.
Shit!
the future kind of stuff. You know, where you went in the way of the future.
Oh, damn it. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Really like my idea of, you know, buying a bigger mini fridge and putting all the pops and drinks in there. I came like 2 inches from him.
It wasn't going that fast. Yeah, you're a goofball, we know. Yes, you are. Well, I'm gonna let you go. Bye, I love you.
What is this idiot doing? What a freaking idiot.
And it's become a well-worn trail of agents who say that this has got to stop. There are good people in there.
Oh dear.
You're in the wrong lane, idiot.
That's why these are not good for people. They don't know what to do.
They need to repaint the